This Maintenance Minute is sponsored by Auto Value. Visit us online for more information.
Do you have a Nissan in your shop that has a clunk, bump, or thunk coming from the suspension? We've got a solution for you. Andrew Markell, Import Car Magazine. Nissan has issued several TSBs over the past 15 years for various models of the Ultima and Maxima in regards to sway bar inlink noise. It's not really about a defective part. It's more about an inspection procedure the technician needs to follow when they're replacing new sway bar inlinks. So what's going on here? Well, what they're seeing in the field is that either a bent component, particularly a control arm, the strut, or the sway bar itself is displaced either side to side, and it's changing the geometry of the sway bar. So in other words, the ball joints up here are either bound up because it's stuck like this when it's installed. This could be an indication that the control arm or the strut itself or another suspension component could be bent that is changing the geometry and path of the sway bar inlink. So as the geometry changes and the suspension moves, these become bound up and it causes noise like a bump, clunk, or thunk from the suspension. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.